Together, we are vacationing again. Whether you've just made plans for your next stay or have just arrived at one of our beautiful properties, I would like to welcome you back on behalf of our general managers around the world. We're committed to helping you stay healthy and have been hard at work preparing for your return, enhancing our cleaning efforts from check-in to check-out. We want to provide you with healthy spaces. That's why we're now utilizing hospital-grade disinfectants, performing more frequent cleaning, and have implemented social distancing throughout our properties. We've also made sure that our associates are ready to serve you safely with hygiene training, personal protective equipment, and daily health screenings. Thank you for following the social distancing and health guidelines during your stay. While these changes won't be what we're all accustomed to, your safety is a priority. And so is making sure that when you're on vacation with us, you can focus on what matters most: time together.